What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over 3 stocks that I'm keeping on watch this week. Check it out. Well, guys, this week I have a few stocks that I'm going to keep on watch, and I do this every week. I always put out a weekly watch list. If you're not signed up for that, I'll leave a link in the description and comment section below, as well as you could just go to the daytraderchatroom.com, sign up for the free course or the 5-day trial, whatever you want, and I'll automatically have you placed on the weekly watch list so you can receive the weekly watch list. Now, that's something that we send out with charts, all tailored out, showing you exactly what I'm talking about and exactly what levels I'm looking for, right? Now, today we're going to go over 3 stocks that are going to be on the watch list, but there will be a few more on the watch list for you, and you'll get that in the email when you sign up. Now, it is extremely important for on Sundays for one to sign on, look at the charts, go over, make a little list. Why? Because there have been days where there's nothing to trade. Seriously, there's just nothing available to trade that's clean, that's good setup. That's when that weekly watch list really comes into play. See, that weekly watch list serves 2 purposes for me. One is something that it's like a back burner list where nothing's looking really good intraday. I can go on over to the weekly watch list and maybe identify a potential trade. I did that about 2 weeks ago on Tesla. There was nothing to trade all day long, and all of a sudden I was like, you know what, guys, let's jump over to the weekly watch list and see if we see something. Boom, found Tesla. It was setting up on a nice level that I had identified on the weekly watch list. Bam, we nailed a solid one. So that's one way that I use the weekly watch list. The other way is for swing trades. I identify levels on the daily chart and see if I can capitalize on it with swing trade setup. So that's another thing that we can do with the weekly watch list. But the only way you could do that is by actually establishing a weekly watch list on Sunday. Now, you can make your own, you can use mine, or you could do both, which is even a better way, right? You grab my watch list and you make your own watch list and you put it all together and you got a nice list of stocks to watch during the week. Now, there's a lot of people out there who won't tell you about that. They won't tell you about that, right? They'll make it look like trading is super easy, that you just wake up in the morning with 15 minutes to spare, right? Before the bell rings, you're going to make a daily watch list, and that's it. You're just going to go out there and scalp some pennies. And, no, it's really not that easy. They make it look that easy because that's how they get you to sign up for their stuff. I tell you the truth. I tell you that it's a lot of work, and I show you exactly how I do it. So if you really want to learn, check out the daytraderchatroom.com. But now I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Now you know how I work on the weekly watch list and why I do it. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Smash the like button for me, and just like that, we'll be in the charts. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video here. Let's go over the 3 stocks I'm watching this week. There's going to be some more stocks on my weekly watch list, so if you're interested in the rest of them, link in the description and comment section below. You can go over to daytraderchatroom.com and sign up for the weekly list. If you sign up for the free course or the 5-day trial, any of those things will also automatically put you on the free weekly list, okay? So, AMC, obviously going to be something I have on watch here. We're down here in the $34 zone, right? And now I want to see if AMC is going. Remember, I'm actively trading AMC. I'm not like just holding on to AMC like I would hold on to something like Palantir or Disney. Or it's not an investable stock for me right now. And I don't like it for a swing trade to the long side while it's under the 50-day. So what I'm actually looking for out of AMC here is I want to see if this $36 zone, $37 zone is going to continue to hold resistance. You can see that kind of lines up just underneath that 50-day moving average, or that 50-day moving average right around a little bit over 38 bucks. So if that area is going to continue to hold resistance, I might actually consider swing trading some puts, because I think AMC can come right down here towards this 100-day moving average, this previous low here. I think that is the next area that AMC will have if it can crack under 30. If I miss a setup here for a short put trade, to going long puts, obviously trying to take advantage of the downside on the stock. I don't have shares to short the stock itself, so I'd go with puts. I'll be looking at $30. If $30 cracks and then becomes an area of resistance, I'll go ahead and grab it there and look and see if I can ride it back down here towards this $24.50, $25 area. That's what I think we'll see on AMC before we see any pops again, any bounces. Right now, it's on a bearish trend. It doesn't mean the AMC can't be, back at 50 bucks in a month. But for the foreseeable future, I believe it should get down here and test 24, 25 bucks. We actually went over something like this on a TikTok recently when it was up here. I was saying that I think AMC is going to get down here towards that $30 area, and it has. So AMC, that's what I'm looking for out of AMC this week. Next that I have on watch on this weekly list is XELA. XELA right here. Very simple. This one's been on a lot of people's radar recently. I just want to see if it can hold this $3 level. You can see it's clear as day. So far it's been an area of support. It was previously an area of resistance there. And if we scroll back some, you can see a little bit of a gap entry area right in there and some past resistance right up in here. So at $3 area on XELA, definitely something to keep on watch for a potential bounce off that level. If it finally does something like this, right, and then gets back up in here like that with some good increasing in volume, right? If we can get some good increasing in volume on that bounce attempt, then it might be something to watch there for a move back towards $5, which is clearly a resistance area, right? So that's what I'll be watching out of XELA this week here on, what is this, July 18th, today's Sunday, so I'll be watching it for this week, see if we can get that little bounce back towards $5 on XELA, all right? And then next, I have VERB. VERB was one from last week that made a very nice move towards $4. Right now, it's underneath this $3 level. I want to see if it's going to break that level again and hold. If it does, then I think we get that move towards $4. Otherwise, you can find some bottom support down here around 265. Okay, you see some past resistance 280 to 290 area, and 265, so 250 to 275 area is what I'm watching here on this pullback. If it cannot break and hold $3 again, right? Maybe we do one of these, right? Get back here down, test it one more time, and then bang, we get right through that level. If we do that, then I actually might consider this one for a quick little swing trade for a move back towards what? $4 area, right? This $4 area right here, you can see that it is previously, I cannot draw the circle. There we go. It's previously an area of resistance. So if we can get that, maybe we get this kind of move out of it, and that'll be a nice little potential swing trade that I'll be keeping on watch on VERB. All right, VERB, that's that 265, so call it 250 to 275 area right in here. Watching to see if it will hold some support for a potential move back towards $4. And I have a couple more of the stocks I'll have on my watch list. Make sure to sign up so you can get that free email. It'll come with everything I'm watching on it. Alrighty? Well, guys, that's it. I told you it'd be a short little video with just 3 of the tickers on the watch list. There's more on the list. Sign up so you can go ahead and take and get access to those. Any questions, you can also drop them in the comment section below. Also, if you have a stock that you have on watch and you want me to take a look at it, I mean, that's really nice of you. I'd appreciate that. Drop it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to take a peek at it, maybe even throw it on my list. And if it was one of those good ones, I'll definitely give you a shout out on the next video, right? So go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. Now, one more thing I'm going to ask of you. If you're new around here, or if you watch me often, then why don't you consider subscribing to the channel, smashing the like button. Let me tell you something. The YouTube algorithm is a finicky one, but if you support the channel, if you want to support the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and also smash the like button for me. Also, we do lives twice a month. So we do lives every first and last Wednesday of the month. So they're back to back, and in those lives we give away prizes, kind of like a 30-day, free access pass to the daytraderchatroom.com, amongst other stuff. Last week we gave, well, not last week, last live we did a couple of free 30 days. So we did 2 free 30 days and we gave away a free t-shirt. So it's always fun, you know, always do a little prizes and stuff like that. So hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my videos and do those lives. Also, I'll leave a link in the description section as well to trade ideas if you're interested in the scanners I use. I'll leave you that with a 15% off coupon code down there. Now, any questions at all, please don't hesitate. You can let us know at info@thedaytraderchatroom.com. Smash the like button for me, and thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.